And when your phone can literally turn into a walkie-talkie, apps like Zello start to feel surprisingly powerful. But whether it's actually worth using depends on how well it balances real-time communication, features, and pricing. At its core, Zello is a push-to-talk app that lets you talk to individuals or groups in real time, almost like using a traditional walkie-talkie, but over the internet. It supports both Wi-Fi and mobile data, and even works on low-bandwidth connections, which makes it quite versatile. Starting with features, Zello offers live voice messaging, public and private channels, and message playback, so you can listen to missed conversations anytime. It also allows sharing of photos, locations, and alerts, and supports large channels with thousands of users, which makes it useful not just for friends, but also for businesses and emergency teams. Now, when it comes to usability, Zello is generally simple and fast to use. You just press a button and talk, which makes communication instant and efficient. However, in some real-world situations, users have reported issues like connection delays or interruptions, especially when switching between calls or weak networks, which can affect reliability. Sometimes the connection randomly cuts. That shows while the concept is strong, performance can vary depending on usage conditions. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where Zello becomes interesting. For regular users, the app is completely free, which is a big advantage. But for businesses, there's Zello Work, a premium version with advanced features like admin controls, tracking, and integrations. Pricing typically starts around $6 to $12 per user per month, and can go up depending on features and scale, with enterprise plans available as well. There's also higher-tier subscriptions that can reach around $79.99 per month for advanced use cases. Looking at pros and cons, the biggest advantage is clearly real-time communication and simplicity, along with a strong free version. It's also highly scalable for teams. On the downside, reliance on internet connection and occasional performance issues can be limiting. So, when you bring everything together, Zello is a powerful and practical communication tool, especially if you want instant voice messaging without traditional radios. But if your focus is perfect reliability in all conditions, it may not fully replace dedicated hardware, and that balance is what ultimately determines whether Zello is the right app for you. And that's it! So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.